Sako na pala sila. Ito. So, ayan. Pipick upin natin si Beatrice. And after picking up Beatrice, ano tayo? Punta tayo sa aking in-laws. Hindi, nag-harvest, nag-start na sila. Diba last day, pumunta tayo sa Manafuri ng olive oil. So, dahil nga yung schedule ng aking in-laws ay malapit na, so they have to harvest na ng olives. So yun, later I will show you how olives are being harvested here dito sa amin. I'll show you later, pero pick-upin muna natin si Beatrice. Baka makalimutan natin. It's too hot, 34 degrees today. Ayan. Yesterday, supposedly I will make video about nag-harvest ng olives. We just pick up Beatrice, pero hindi ko na po naituloy yung video. So today, we gonna help my in-laws para matapos na yon. Next week, it might be raining. So dapat matapos na din nila yon. So today, I'm gonna show you how the olives are being harvested here. Tapos, mano-mano. Paano nila kini-clean up ang after kasi mag-harvest, di may mga dahon-dahon, tsaka may mga small branches pa. So, how it's being cleaned up. Bali, may machine sila na ginagamit to clean that up. Pero yung harvest is mano-mano talaga. So, yun. I will show you later when we arrive there. I will show you a bit of how it's being harvested. So, but not the entire naman kasi we really have, it's a lot of things to do. Madaming gagawin. Hindi pwede kamera doon. Kailangan natin magbanat. Okay? So, we'll show you how it is being done. Diba? So, ayan. So, after nyan, i-harvest, tapos yun, ilalagay sa sako sa plastic. Transparent plastic is a requirement of the company there. You have to put in a transparent plastic, maximum of 30 kilos.
30.
I don't know why it is 30 kilos. Bakit?
Because of the bag. It's too heavy.
So it's too heavy for them to carry, to put it in the processing.
The health minister say no, nothing should be more than 30 kilos.
Okay. It's a requirement here in Portugal.
Standard.
So yun, 30 kilos daw para hindi kayo mabuktot. Eh, kung more than 30 kilos sa Pilipino, 50 kilos, dinaano pa, pinapasan-pasan pa. So tingnan natin. So ito yung yung place ng in-laws ko dito, yung church dito nila. Papunta sa aking in-laws. Mga bahay dito sa amin yan, mga ganyan. Itong mga daan kasi ito, hindi naman to na-design pang sasakyan. It was designed na mga donkey pa by yung mga unang panahon. Dito tayo sa aking in-laws na
good ladder, you can drive.
Yan, dyan. Babalik tayo. Nag-umpisa na sila yata. They already start. Ito yung apple plantation na nila na harvest na. Ito, what do you call that? Yung may bunga na ano po yan? Cactus. Binibenta yan, Ignorante. Let's go. And now we're here. Okay, dito na tayo. You're not going to put the car inside? We will eat lunch here.
Okay.
Nag-harvest na yata sila. So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa kanila. pakita ko sa inyo kasi for the past 5 months yata, no? For the past 5 months, pinakita ko yung flowers. Tapos ngayon, pakita natin yung olives na ready na siya i-harvest. So, bali before, yung flowers na pinakita ko, nandyan din sa short videos ko. Tapos ngayon, ito na siya. Yan. Ito na yun. Ready to harvest na siya. So, sobrang dami. Ayan. Ganyan. So, budiya, senyora. Ayan, ganyan siya. So, paano nila hina-harvest? Yan, mga olives lahat yan. Dito. Yan. Sobrang dami, no? Tingnan nyo. Yan. Kapitbahay yan dyan. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Ganyan. So, paano po nila hina-harvest itong mas madami pa yung dahon, bunga kaysa sa dahon. So, ayan, how do they harvest? Bundia. Paano po nila hina-harvest yung olives? Dito po yung olives. Ganito po pag hina-harvest. Yung puno na yan, na-harvest na. Tinatanggal, kinakat talaga yan. Yan, ganyan. Tapos yung natitira, ito yon. Nilalagyan nila yung parang net. This is really a big diameter na net na around sa olive tree. So yon, nilalagay na dito para iniisa-isa po yan tinatanggal. How do they make that? Isa-isa po nila yan tinatanggal dito. Ganyan. Mamaya mag-change ako ng clothes para makabana tayo kasi galing ako kay Bea eh. So, iniisa sa tanggal, hinuhulog lang yan dito sa parang, parang, how do you call this? Net. Yun. Tapos, isasako, no? Ganyan lang. Yan. So, ito, this is really made for harvesting the olives na mano-mano. So, ayan. So, my father-in-law is already there. He will cut. Tulong-tulong tayo. No, Diki? I will change my clothes. Yan. So, ang na-harvest na nila is dalawa pa lang. Ay, Diki. Na-harvest na lang nila dalawang puno pa lang. Yun pa lang at saka. So, madami-dami pa. Papalit. Kukunin ko yung damit ko doon sa sasakyan. I will pick up my clothes. I will pick up my clothes and I'll change my clothes. So, ganyan lang. See who is harvesting the olives. The most handsome guy here. With the guard dog. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ang itsura. Yung moskitero. Mosquito net. Yan, ni isa-isa. No, Diki. I'll pick up. Huh? Lolo is cutting. My husband is there on the other side. Lola is cooking food. So, ganyan lang. Kapag yung nahuhulog dito, kinokollect lang yan how do you call that? No, mosquito net. How do you call this? Mosquito net, oh? Olive net. Olive net. I don't know how do they call that. Ask Lolo, how do they call that? Catcher. Olive catcher. Ayan na ang tawag nila dito. Yan, ganyan. Ay, chukok. At least they will know how the olive oil being harvested all times. The olives being harvested, how the olive oil produce.
Don't eat it,
Oo. Mapait po kasi to. Olives from the tree is not edible. It's bitter that you can't imagine. Yes. Bitter gorgeous, you still you can eat it. This one, sobrang pait po nito. Kaya kailangan siyang i-process. 15 days. Ilang days ba yun? Nilalagay sa tubig. Tapos with salt and then with vinegar. Basta mga processing nyo, mga 3 months din yata. Minimum. Yung fermentation. Ayan. Ayan lang. Tapos yung nahuhulog na tinatanggal na sanga. Kasi, bakit ipinuputol? May why is it the lolo is cutting the tree? What's the reason?
So keep it 20 to the tree. Next year, not in 2 years, we'll give more olives.
So it will give more olives. Last year, we don't have olives, no? Last year. No, we don't have olives. Not so much. And this year is a lot of fruits. So, yun. Tapos, yan, pinuputol din para mag-give more olives and give strength to the tree. Pero but olive tree is also strong, right?
Olive tree lasts 1,000, not 100 years.
No, what I mean, the tree by itself is strong.
You can plant.
Oo, ganun.
When it breaks, it breaks.
Really?
Basta.
Okay. So, ganyan po, pag nag-harvest ng olives, ouch, dito. Yung tingnan nyo, oh, sobrang dami, oh. Yan, ginaganon lang. Hinuhulog lang kasi merong catcher naman sa baba. Tapos iipunin lang. Tapos ganyan nyo siya. Ganyan yung process ng harvesting. This is the manual harvesting. Pero pag but if there is already a big farm, no, they have already the shaker, no? The olive. No, what I mean, there's a equipment itself that there's a shaker. Pag madala.
In the end, they still have to pick up by hand.
Yeah.
They don't pick up immediately. They take
Really? So it's now also, at least it lessen maybe 50%?
90%.
90% of work? Oo, kasi madaming natitira eh. Sayang din. Yeah, after all, no? Still the best ang manual working.
The machine mash also maybe olives too sometimes.
Oo. Ganon.
You can choose the quality or fresh and not cold.
Yeah, so pag galing kami sa school, diretso na kami dito. Napalitan ako ng damit para yung get up natin. Ang asawa ko ganun din. So yan, tulong-tulong na lang kasi matatanda na din eh. Here? Not yet.
Hey, you can have one.
I still have a lot here. There's a lot here. This is nice here because it has space.
Turn.
Walang mga manggagawa dito kasi halos lahat na tao may mga olive. Yeah.
All colors in one.
So nice, huh? United we stand. Together we stand. United we fall. Together we climb to the top of the world. Ayan, ito yung kinakat. Yan. Pakita natin. Tingnan natin. Oh, ayun. So, ito yung olives na nalaglag. Iniipon, tapos kukolektahin yun mamaya. Isang sako yan. For sure, this is 1 sack here. No? More than 1 sack. Yan, isang puno. No, this is our helper here. Oh, help to be annoying to us.
My girlfriend.
Yan your girlfriend?
Yes.
Yan. Nakatatlong sako na pala sila. Ito. So, ganyan lang. Thank you for watching. And I hope may nakuha naman kayo sa pag-harvest ng olives dito sa Portugal. Until next time. And please, subscribe my channel. Your comments are welcome para ma-improve natin yung ating vlogging. Don't forget to like also. Thank you for watching.